All right, ladies and gentlemen, trade recap from today ended up getting pounded. I did not see any, or actually, I did see a little bit of profit, and then we just pounded me, but it was like tiny bit. Anyways, let's get into this. So coming into the day, I did have a bullish bias just because like we made new all-time highs. We were like probably 30 points. I'm bugging 100 points. I don't know what is up with my math lately, but we're close to we're close to those all-time highs. The one thing I didn't like about this was this bearish gap, and I told the Discord I was like, "Yo, I think we're gonna respect this gap. It's gonna send us lower, and then we're gonna react to go higher." So I really don't think this is gonna play a big part since we have all-time highs, like new all-time highs from yesterday. We also had these data highs, some red folder news, and yeah, that was pretty much it. My main eyes were we didn't have like anything crazy as liquidity. We honestly just had EQ of the range, which was like right here. So like I guess you could also call this trendline liquidity, which was perfect because we were inside these two 30-minute gaps as well. Wow, watch this long setup. Are we delivering? Hold on. I just want to see if we're delivering from something. We're not though. Yeah, see that's the thing is like I don't understand. Now I'm guessing this was probably just a statistical loss because like I think overall I think this trade was definitely probably like an A. I wouldn't call it an A plus just because there was no SMT. But market open, we came down. Yeah, we just started shitting. We started shitting, took out all this LR, and then we came into these two 30-minute gaps right here. And it was just based off this 5-minute inverse, right? We inversed it, not the best, but still something I would take. And I was just gunning for EQ of the range. Hold on, if I can place this. Because we were like sold off. And then see, that's the problem is like I I think it's a statistical loss, but also it could just be bad on my part from so I was gunning for like this. And then where was my stop? Yeah, my stop was right here. Yeah, a little one to one. Um so yeah, I think this could be a little bit of both. I mean, we did dip down like let's see to about 200 points, 300. Okay, so yeah, about 200 points, 240 points before we got the entry. It's not bad, but I mean, I definitely could have been more cautious on this. We might be setting up for another setup here. No. See, and now looking at ES never inversed this gap, which was weird, but ES was also playing in this gap that we respected. So, yeah, definitely a weird day. I thought this was a good trade. If you took this trade and you lost, not bad. I mean, definitely it sucks seeing the red PNL, but think about it in a wider view, right? This is one trade out of all the trades you're going to take in a year. Yeah, we're delivering off this 30-minute gap after taking out all this liquidity. I thought it was time to push up, but I guess not. Another trade you could have taken. I mean, I don't trade pre-market, but I did see this. It was based off data highs, right? We inversed this. I saw a couple people on Instagram took this long, it ended up either getting break even or they got stopped out. So after seeing this failed inverse is what I call it. This failed inverse fail. No shit, it's in the name. And then we got this inverse. I was like, all right, yeah, you could have targeted this or this. But I don't trade pre-market. Another trade you could have actually taken. I'm trying to see where this shit was. Was it this? Like we edged. Hold on, I'm trying to find it. We like edged some gap that I was like, okay, yeah, it was right here. We edged this 15-minute gap right here, and then yeah, we. Hold on, I'm bugging. Where was this? Hold on, I'm trying to find it. One second. No, was it this? I think I just marked this off. Oh wait, I have this shit marked out right here. Oh yeah, it's this right here. So this right here, what is this? Start of a 30-minute gap. Yeah, the start of the 30-minute gap, or actually the second one, because I put these together. As you see, we came close. We edged it. We started pushing up, and I was gonna take it off this 1-minute inverse, I believe. Did the 2-minute inverse? No, the 2-minute already. Yeah, this would have been a shit risk reward. You could have taken it off this, a little short position, stop. Let's see if you went short, top. I mean, it's not the best, but when we edge something like this, it's pretty obvious. Yeah, this is negative risk reward. I don't know. If you did 50% of the candle, you probably would have gotten stopped out. I don't know. If you took this trade, let me know where your stop was. Other than that, nothing else for other positions. I low key see we're not delivering anything. We're not delivering from anywhere here. But like do we have an SMT? I know we have an SMT 100%. Asian lows, let's see. Yeah, we have an SMT. Okay, this is actually interesting. I'm not seeing anything here. But yeah, overall, this 5 minute. I mean, what are you gonna do about it? I thought that was a trade for the day, but clearly not. Maybe it might just be statistics, or I might just be dumb. But we just inverse this. Let's see. 3 minute. Now we would need to inverse this. But then like this would be a good break even point. Could get that high inside. Honestly, nah, I'm done. I'm done looking for a trade. Yeah. So that's pretty much the trade recap from today. I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap. If you haven't, follow the social medias, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually May 1st. Finally, brand new month. Hopefully we get better delivery. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.